Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. You have connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Speaker. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my speaker.
Alexa, volume 8. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 9:41 p.m.
Alexa, how is the weather today?
Currently, in New Delhi, it's 23 degrees with clear skies. Tonight, you can expect mostly clear skies with a low of 18 degrees.
Alexa, what movies are playing nearby?
Here are a few films playing near you today. Ittefaaq, Golmaal Again, Thor Ragnarok 3D, Thor Ragnarok 3D Hindi. Would you like to hear more movies?
Alexa, what's up?
Good evening, it's 21:42. Here's what's up. In trending news,
Alexa,
there's a
stop.
first...
Alexa, what's the news?
To hear your flash briefing, go to the Alexa app and select at least one category.
Alexa, play some Bollywood music.
Bollywood songs from Sawan.
Alexa, next song. Alexa, pair with Bluetooth.
Searching.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alexa, good night.
Goodbye.